So children, now we are going to write spellings of fruits. So first of all, we will write heading. At the top, leave some space and write capital F R U I T S, fruits. Now you will draw two lines this way. Now we'll write numbers on the left side of the margin line. So we'll write here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now after 5, you will put a cross in these 3 columns. After cross, you will continue with numbers again 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now, first spelling that we are going to write is of mango. M-A-N-G-O, mango. So first alphabet will be capital. M A N G O, mango. M-A-N-G-O, mango. After mango, we will write plum. P-L-U-M, plum. So again, first alphabet will be capital. P L U M, plum. Now after plum, we will write pineapple. P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E, pineapple. So first alphabet capital P I N E A P P L E, pineapple. P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E, pineapple. Now, here below number 1, again we'll write banana. So, first alphabet capital B. That is B A N A N A, banana. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. Now, after banana, we'll write grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. First alphabet capital G R A P E S, grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. Now last fruit that we are going to write, spelling over here is orange. So capital O R A N G E, orange. So this way you will write spellings of fruits, and same way you will write in these lines given below.